Hi, Melanie here, and today I'm showing you how to make this super quick and easy Minion party balloon decoration that's completely air-filled. I'm inflating 5-inch yellow balloons with 4 strokes of the Qualitex hand pump. So these are full strokes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the pump straight away. Put a twist in the neck just to trap the air. If you leave the balloon on the pump, the air will seep out of the balloon and seep through the body of the pump and the balloon will deflate, okay? So just hold on to that, trap the neck of the balloon against the hand pump and then inflate the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and remove the pump, twist, wrap the balloon necks around one another, wrap once, wrap twice and tie. Now inflate 2 blue balloons in the same way. Connect the 2 pairs at the centre. So you want this alternating blue and yellow pattern. And make 3 clusters like this. Take the neck from one of the balloons and pull it into the cluster that you've just placed on top. So it's important that the balloons in the top tier sit between 2 balloons in the bottom tier, and you'll have your colours spiralling this way. And then just take the neck of the balloon and just wrap it round the balloons in the upper tier. Place your next cluster on top and again grasp one of the necks from the balloons below and pull that neck through and into the top layer and just wrap around as we did before. And then you can just let that go. I've made a small water weight and I'll leave a link in the description below to how to make these water weights and also sand weights if you prefer sand weights. So I've just pulled that water weight into the base and I'm just going to wrap the neck around the balloons just to secure that. Okay, so there you've got your base. I'm inflating this balloon with air so it will not float, and if you haven't inflated balloons like this before, I've got a very detailed video and I'll leave a link in the description below if you need that. So one of the things to bear in mind is this balloon has got separate chambers, so you may need to just press down on the balloon to send air into the feet and the arms. And when your balloon starts to feel quite full, you need to proceed with caution because it's very easy to pop the balloons. So I'm just going to put a little bit more air in to this balloon. Just going very cautiously. And the thing to remember is that the air inside the balloon will expand in warm conditions and it will contract in cold conditions. So if you're in a very warm environment, you need to allow for the air inside to expand. And if you're in a very cold environment, or if you take this balloon out into the cold, the air molecules inside will shrink and the balloon will start to look a little bit sorry for itself, a little bit deflated. But if you bring it back into the warm, then it will perk up again and resume a fully inflated appearance. The other thing about this balloon is you do want to keep the creases. So this balloon is designed to have creases around the side here, around the edge there. I'm using a 260 twisting balloon. If you don't have these, you can use something like curling ribbon instead. I'm folding the 260 in half, putting my fingers through there and then just rolling my fingers along and forming a loop, okay? And then you need to locate the little attachment tab at the bottom of your balloon and then just put the loop over the tab and then pull the ends of the 260 tight. So if you're using curling ribbon, you may want to tie a knot once you've pulled the ends together. The great thing about the 260s is they're stretchy, so once you pull them and you maintain that tension, they will stay tight, okay? And then take your base and pull the tails of your curling ribbon or your 260 into the base and wrap around the balloons, and you can go down into the lower layers as well. And then when you've wrapped around a few times, you can just let that 260 go and it will just disappear into the base, and then do the same thing on the other side. We'll just wrap around and then let go. For more air-filled party balloon decorations, check out this video next.